Welcome to Jewelry Layering Made Easy, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of accessorizing. Layering jewelry is a fantastic way to express your unique style, adding depth and personality to any outfit. Today, we're diving into the essential rules for creating beautifully layered looks with your favorite necklaces and rings. Layering jewelry is more than just wearing multiple pieces. It's about crafting a cohesive and eye-catching ensemble that truly stands out. Our first rule for successful jewelry layering is balance. This is crucial for creating visual harmony and avoiding a cluttered look. Achieve visual harmony by playing with different lengths and sizes. Start with a choker, add a medium chain, and finish with a longer pendant. Notice how varying the chain lengths prevents your necklaces from tangling and allows each piece to shine individually. Next up is contrast. Don't be afraid to mix and match. This adds a dynamic element to your layered look. Mixing metals like silver and gold, combining different textures such as sleek chains with beaded strands, and playing with various styles creates captivating visual interest. Here we see how different rings, from minimalist bands to bold statement pieces, can be combined to create a unique and contrasting hand stack. Finally, let's talk about sparkle. A little glitz can elevate your entire jewelry game. Whether you prefer subtle shimmer or dazzling brilliance, incorporating gemstones, pave settings, or intricate designs will add that perfect touch of sparkle. See how these sparkling pieces, even when layered, don't overpower each other, but rather enhance the overall elegance of the look. And there you have it, 3 simple rules to master the art of jewelry layering. Remember to focus on balance for visual harmony, contrast for exciting interest, and sparkle for that undeniable touch of glam. Now go forth and experiment with your own collection. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more style hacks.